Afternoon, everybody. I just decided to jump on real quick. We're going to make a jar opener. So you need 2 pieces of 6.5 by 6.5 pieces of fabric. And then you need some grip. It's just shelf liner. And you're going to cut that at 6.5, just 1 piece. So let me get this cut. Okay, then just sandwich this in between. So you're gonna have the right side, some of your grip, and your right side. And then you're just gonna pin this all together. You're gonna leave an opening so you can turn it. I also have a little magnet that I'm gonna sew in the corner afterwards, and that way it can stick to my refrigerator, which I already have one on there, and these work great. So just pin up and leave an opening, and then you're gonna do a 1/4 inch seam all around it. So there's my opening. So just pin it all the way up. And I'll get mine pinned and then sew it. And I will return. Okay, don't forget to back stitch where you start and where you end. So just keep going around. Okay, so once you have this sewn together, just cut your corners a little. And then find your opening. And you're gonna go in between your back fabric and the grip. So get this all turned to the right side. And then I'm gonna get my little corner tool. So get your little corner turn busher outer. That's what I call it. Okay. And get this all square. Okay, and then just pull kind of tight and it will actually fold where you need to sew. So pin that. Well, actually, I'm going to put the magnet in. So with this opening, take your magnet and drop it in a corner. So mine's right there. And then you're gonna stitch across right here. And you're gonna have to help your foot because the grip doesn't like it to move. There we go. So I got mine done right here. Okay, now we're gonna sew up our opening. Now, if you don't want to use a magnet, you can just sew up your end. So do an edge stitch. And like I said, you're gonna have to help this along, even if you do it the other way, because it'll stop on the sewing machine. Just get that nice and tight and even. Edge stitch, back stitch, come back up. And back stitch. Okay. Alrighty. Then you can go over to your iron and just kind of press this like a quick press. Just be sure everything's kind of flat. Okay, and then you have a jar opener. And with the magnet, you can either have it, well, that's not real thick. Let's see. Oh, it's not gonna stick on my, I don't have anything that it'll stick on, but you can use it this way or this way. And you just stick it on your refrigerator, and that's it. And that's a jar opener, and it does work. I've used mine plenty of times. So try to make one of those for the weekend. Oops. Give you something to do. And then I'll be back tomorrow. I think I'm gonna do a shirt. I'm almost done with the placemats, so I'll have my table all cleared off and ready to go. But anyways, there you go. So you all enjoy your Sunday.